Alright guys, so just to finish this out for you, troublemaker machine that randomly turns on and off when it wants to. Come to the conclusion there's something in the tank, so we're going to start with that. I think we're going to pull the pickup because that's relatively easy. I'm not convinced it's that because normally that would create a situation that happens all the time. So I'm thinking something's floating in the tank. Anyway, let's check it out. By the way, it's become one of my favorite pair of pliers for no good reason. There you have it, guys. I don't know if you can see it. So your pickup tube is clogged, which means there's more in there. Alright guys, so I actually cleaned out the tank in here. I put a filter on the end of this, just a screen like off of a generator, petcock. Put that all back together. Let's go test run and see what we got. Well guys, there you have it. Debris in the fuel tank. We cleaned that out. I put that little sock filter on there. We ran it for about 40 minutes and she sounds great. This is just a good opportunity for me to say once again, it doesn't matter if you've been doing this 25 years, 30 years, you can be wrong. I would have told you it's not debris in the tank because debris in the tank is usually right on time every time. And this was going long periods of time and short periods of time, but anyway, I'm glad we figured it out. Glad David can get back to mowing.